Hello, Katrin here with European Papercrafts in the US. Today I have a short video for you for quick and last minute Christmas cards. So let's get started. So I picked 3 quick die cut sheets for you. They're all from Find It. Now the first one I have is in the Winter Classics series by Janine's Art. And obviously with this type of sheet you can make beautiful winter cards. It doesn't necessarily have to be a Christmas card, because you have this windmill here in a wintry scene. You have these beautiful red houses that remind me of Sweden, and then another winter village. So each sheet has 3 embellishments, and you just push them out and then stack them up with foam dots to make a 3-dimensional card topper. The second one I have chosen, again, can be used for winter cards or winter birthdays. This one here has the cute little birds, the robins. This one has a bluebird and another cardinal bird sitting here with the red berries on the wintry tree. And it's again by Janine's Art. And then the last one that I have here is again with birds, and we have a church, and then we also have another birdie here. Looks like a robin bird. So I made cards with this sheet, but before I show you those, I wanted to share with you the card that I have made with that lost embellishment. Last week I uploaded a video and I told you that I had lost this embellishment, and of course it popped up again, and I was able to finish my card. So this is the card from the sheet that I shared with you in last week's video. And I thought it came out very nicely. And these little sentiments here come on a sticker sheet, and they are rather tiny, but for a small card in a little tag frame like this, they turned out just perfect. So I'm going to link these below. And other than that, I just added some glitter paper, some background paper, and just stacked up the embellishment to make this very pretty Happy Christmas season card. Okay, so now with this card, with this sheet, I made 3 cards. So here's my first one, and I kept it in those nature colors. Added some pretty background paper. Again, I like these sheets because you have an opportunity to use up all your pretty papers when you need embellishments, card embellishments. You have the paper, then these are beautiful embellishments, and you always find something that matches. So I found this paper that gives me the red from the poinsettia that mimics the red in the berries here from the holly. And then I punched a star that I put through my crimper, a little greeting, and it's a very simple but beautiful card. And I made it a season's greetings card, but this could be certainly another winter card, like a birthday. My second card I made is very Christmassy with the poinsettia background paper. I added some green stickles, a greeting from one of my hunky dory die cut sheets, enjoy the festive season. And then I punched out a background layer for the bird embellishment. And of course, again, I used a lot of stickles. And you can see this is just a green card base. And I probably will add another piece of white paper in here so that I can write my greeting. And then the last one, I made a card with this pretty winter church and added some glittery embellishments I have this beautiful glitter snowflake, which I now found again at Michael's. They have these in silver and gold currently. So I bought a few packs because these are stickers. Now this is a punch, and I punched out some white glitter paper, added a greeting, and these cards come together very quickly. Added a glitter border, those are stickers. And I like the color in brown and pink. I think it came out very pretty. So yeah, those are my 3 cards plus the card from last week. And then I have 2 more die cut sheets that you can use for your Happy New Year cards. This one here is called Lovely Christmas, and it has indeed one Christmas embellishment, the stocking with a candy cane, but the other 2 embellishments on this sheet are geared towards New Year's. We have the champagne bottle and the clock 5 to 12, and rounded up in some flowers and berries. And then the second one is this decorated clock with birdies, also 5 to 12. So these make some New Year's cards, and sometimes it's good to have a card Happy New Year in case you have family or friends that don't celebrate Christmas, or if you were late with your Christmas greetings, then you can still send a greeting for New Year's. And the second one is called Amy Design Christmas Wishes, so both sheets are by Find It again. And here we have, of course, a champagne bottle and champagne glasses, another champagne bottle with bells, and there's the 12 o'clock sign, and then down here clinging glasses again. And of course, if you have an anniversary or maybe even a wedding in winter time, these make beautiful card toppers for anniversary cards or wedding cards. And here are my 3 cards. I use the Lovely Christmas. This one is the stocking, and I added some of my handmade backgrounds with the scraps, and then I just die cut out a frame, some glitter paper, and of course the embellishment, and I added a little greeting joy, and it's all layered up, and it's a very quick and beautiful last minute Christmas card. Then here is my Happy New Year card. I introduced these cards to you in an earlier video. These are my Star Magic cards, and they come in a pack with different colors. I will link them below, and this is how they are printed. And then what I have done is I have outlined them with sticker borders and made them really festive. And those little stars are just leftovers also from a sticker sheet. So here is my midnight New Year's Eve card. So this is perfect for Happy New Year's wishes. And then my last card, also Happy New Year. And these greetings also come of a sentiment sheet that is geared towards Christmas. So it has Happy New Year's greetings in there. I'll link it below. And again, we have the beautiful scenery here right before midnight with the champagne bottle and the roses. I added lots of glitter, and all the stars are like an explosion of little teeny tiny glitter that looks like fireworks. I also have a free add-on this month. If you order the Star Magic cards, these are the cards that I have just used on my samples. They come in a pack of 10 cards. You have 5 colors, 2 each. They're in size C6. and C6 is a European card size, and the dimensions for C6 are 5 3/4 by 4 inches. But you have the matching envelopes in this pack, so you don't have to worry about that. But if you order one of these packs during the month of December, I will add on one of these sticker sheets, and these are perfect for those cards because they have the same wavy design. And in this card I actually used just one little part, which is right here, and then of course all these stars for this firework design came from these sheets, because you can see they have all these different stars that you can use. So while supplies last, you will get one of these added to your order for free if you order a pack of the Star Magic cards. So this is all I have for you today. I hope you liked my cards and got inspired to do some last minute Christmas card making, maybe some Happy New Year's cards for those on the list that you have missed. Please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment if you liked this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would be so happy if you would subscribe. Also, we meet on Facebook under European Papercrafts Friends in our Facebook group. Please join us. You can upload your own craft projects and of course see what others crafters have created. I also upload all my craft projects on this Facebook group, so we all inspire each other. But this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!